In this video, we'll look at direct translation and algebraic expressions. Direct translation is the process of converting words to math. Note that you must assign a variable to the unknown number. The following table shows keywords and phrases that can be used for different operations. Some of these may look familiar. We've seen these words and phrases in a previous video. Looking for keywords like sum and plus indicate addition. Difference minus subtract indicate subtraction. Product times multiplication indicate multiplication. Quotient, divide, shared equally among those phrases indicate division. It takes practice to know which words mean which operation. Let's write an algebraic expression for each phrase. Up first, a number increased by 5. Up first, a number increased by 5. Notice that we see the phrase a number, that's an unknown. We can use X to represent that unknown. Really, it can be any symbol, but X is the most common that we use. And then we see increased by. Increase by means we're adding, and in this case we are adding 5. Twice a number. Twice means we're doubling or multiplying the number by 2. And the number in this case is again an unknown, so we use X. In part C, the quotient of a number and 3. The word quotient means we're doing division. And we're dividing a number, x, with 3. So we could use x divided by 3, or we could do something like x divided by 3. Notice that the order here does matter. X is first, the unknown, then we divide by 3. Part C, 8 subtracted from a number. This one we have to be careful with. 8 subtracted from a number. We're starting with a number and we are taking 8 away from it. 8 subtracted from a number. Again, the order there matters. Be careful with phrases like that. And in part E, the sum of 3 times a number and 4. The sum. Sum means we're adding. What are we adding? 3 times a number and 4. 3 times a number is 3x. And the sum again means add 4. We get 3x plus 4. Notice that phrase is similar to this next phrase, but they do mean two very different things. In part F, we have 3 times the sum of a number and 4. 3 times the sum of a number and 4. So we're still multiplying by 3, but what are we multiplying by 3? The sum. So we need parentheses here, the sum of a number and 4. So be very careful with these last two statements.